In this video, we are going to make a Chrome app in the easiest way. Or you can use this trick to convert any URL to a desktop app, so you don't want to type the URL every time. Open the browser and type electronjs.org. Now under Get Started, copy the Git repository link. Open VS Code and paste the link in the terminal. Type ls if you are using macOS or dir if Windows. Now you can see a folder called Electron Quick Start. Jump into the folder. If you type ls, you can see a bunch of files. Type npm install and npm start. A window like this will pop up. This is our Electron app. Open the project folder and locate main.js. On line 16, change main-window.load file to load URL. Also change the URL as you wish. Here I am going with YouTube. Also change the width and height according to your screen resolution. Now we can start the application by npm start. As promised, now you can see a fully functioning app of your choice. To build the app, sudo npm install -d electron builder. Now this will ask for your password. Enter the password and hit enter. Since I am using Mac, I am going to export it as a macOS applications, so electron builder --mac. Now you can find a dist folder inside your project. After opening the dist folder, you can find a electronquickstart.dmg file. Now open the DMG file and start installing. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.